Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your wealth management with UBS step by step clearly. Begin by researching UBS and its wealth management services. Visit the UBS website to familiarize yourself with the offerings. Schedule an initial consultation with a UBS wealth manager. Prepare your financial information for the consultation. Gather documents like tax returns, investment statements, and current assets. During the consultation, discuss your financial goals and risk tolerance. Ask about UBS's investment strategies and how they align with your goals. Inquire about their fees and any associated costs. Request information on the performance of their managed portfolios. Determine how often you will meet to review your financial strategy. Consider the recommendations made by your wealth manager. Ask about the support available beyond investment management. Evaluate the technology tools UBS offers for financial tracking. Decide if you want to proceed with your wealth management strategy. Complete the necessary paperwork to open your account. Fund the account according to your agreed-upon investment plan. Review your portfolio regularly with your UBS wealth manager. Adjust your strategy as needed based on your evolving financial situation. Stay informed about market trends and economic changes. Communicate openly with your wealth manager throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.